cool cat with a smooth, smooth walk. I can swing my tail, I'm a cat that can talk. With sleek black fur from head to toe. And when I purr, it's smooth and slow. Hi, I'm a black cat today, but not a regular black cat. I'm a jungle cat, a big black panther. Now, black panthers have this smooth, kind of sleek black fur, so it can hide in the black jungle shadows, and no one can see him. Can you see me? Pretty cool hiding spot, isn't it? Now, there's lots of cool cats in the jungle, just like this one. This one here has black spots all over its body. Spots here, spots there, spots from head to toe. A spotty leopard. Now, leopards can crouch in the jungle leaves like this, and no one can see him. Now you see him, and now you don't. It's a cool, cool cat with a smooth, smooth walk. It can swing its tail, it's a cat that can talk. A leopard with spots from head to toe. And when it purrs, it's smooth and slow. Now this jungle cat is a similar shape to the leopard, but it has stripes. Stripes from its head to its toe. A stripy tiger. Rah! Now its black stripes blend in with the branches of the trees, so it can't be seen. Now you see him, and now you don't. Hey, look at this. Now this cool cat is the king of all cats. It has a shaggy woolen mane. What do you think? A lion? Its sandy-coloured fur matches in with the grass and rocks that it lives amongst. Now you see it, and now you don't. So we have a leopard with spots, a stripy tiger, and a sandy-coloured lion with a woolly mane. And of course, a black panther. We're all cool, cool cats, but no one can scare a cool, cool cat. I'm a cool, cool cat with a smooth, smooth walk. I can swing my tail, I'm a cat that can talk. Got sleek black fur from head to toe. And when I purr, it's smooth and slow. See you later, cool cats.